So, andito po tayo sa Jazz Residences in Makati. Meron po tayong mga available na foreclosed condo units dito. Around 26 or approximately 27 square meters. And ito po yung isa. Nasa 9th floor po ako ngayon, Tower B. So, ang view niya is amenity area. Ayan, swimming pool. And then, Bel Air Village and Makati po siya. So, this is around 4 million and negotiable pa po siya. Okay? We can request for discount subject for management approval. Siguro pwede natin siya makuha around 3.8 million. If you are interested to make an offer, because first come first serve po tayo dito, and as is where is, message me directly. Ito po yung unit. Yan, may gamit po siya. So, tatanggalin naman po yan ng management before turnover, lahat po ng movables, and then lilinisin din po siya. So again, if you are interested to check out this unit and other units here in Jazz Residences, please message us directly. So another unit here in Tower B, 30th floor. Again, around 26 or approximately 27 square meters. Facing amenities. Ayan ang view niya from the balcony. So messages directly if interesado po sila dito. CR niya. So same lang din po siya. Around 26 or approximately 27 square meters. One bedroom or studio. Same price din po siya. Wala lang siyang balcony. And same view. Yan, amenities and Bel Air or Makati. Yan. Again, first come first serve po tayo dito. So messages directly if you are interested to make an offer. Studio or one bedroom and with balcony po siya. Facing amenities. Ayan. And Bel Air Village. So, this is around 4 million and negotiable pa po siya. And as is where is, first come first serve po tayo. 31st floor, Tower B. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So dito naman tayo sa Tower D, as in Delta. Again, same size, with balcony and yan, may view siya ng amenity area and Makati skyline. So this one is 39th floor. Tower D pa rin. Yan. And with balcony siya. So facing city view. Ganda ng view niya, fairness. That's Bel Air Village, Makati. Same price, around 4 million. And approximately 27 square meters. Ito 6th floor lang. Amenity level area. So again, 1 bedroom or studio with balcony. Kaso ang pangit ng view. Hindi maganda ang view. Facing the wall. Well, maganda lang dito, 6th floor. Malapit lang siya sa amenities. Ganda ng amenities dito. Daming swimming pool. You get what you pay for. Sulit na rin. Tapos yung gym nila, commercial grade. Hindi mo na kailangan ng membership sa Anytime or sa Fitness, sa Golds.